To view Wi-Fi password using the CMD, we first have to navigate to the start menu. Up and above in the search engine, we're going to type CMD and a list of options will appear. Make sure to right click on the command prompt and then select run as administrator. Then proceed to tap on yes, and with this selected, we're going to initiate this command prompt. Make sure to follow it as seen above. Then we're going to type wlan show profiles and hit enter, and this will show the various Wi-Fi networks that we have accessed in the past. So let's say for instance, if I want to see the password for this Oriental G8, I'm going to proceed to type this command prompt wlan show profile name then equal to, then I'm going to enter the Wi-Fi network with a quotation mark, which is Oriental G8, then close the quotation, and then with the key equal to clear, and then proceed to tap on enter. Then under security settings, when we scroll down key content, this will show us the password of that Wi-Fi, which is right here, 𝗲𝗵𝗺𝗺𝗵𝗺𝗵𝗺, and this is how you can see and access the Wi-Fi password using the CMD. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.